this afternoon, the threat for widespread damage and wind gusts has ended. The National Weather Service in Buffalo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Wyoming County, Livingston County, southeastern Genesee County, southern Monroe County, northwestern Ontario County, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:18 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Perry, or 10 miles north of Letchworth State Park, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rochester, Batavia, Canandaigua, Geneseo, East Rochester, Fairport, Brighton, Letchworth State Park, Henrietta, and Penfield. This includes the following highways: Interstate 390 between exits 6 and 12. Interstate 90 between exits 47 and 44. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.